Once upon a time, there was an old lady called Shantabai. She used to live in a small village. The village was surrounded by forest all sides. Shantabai was old but a clever lady. She used to live all alone. She had a daughter who was happily married. She lived in another village across the forest. One day, Shantabai decided to visit her daughter. She cooked her daughter's favorite food. She took the food in the basket and started her journey. She was traveling all alone through the forest. The forest was dense and full of wild animals. After walking for a while, she was tired, so she decided to take some rest under the big tree. After resting for a while, she felt hungry and decided to eat some food. She opened her tiffin and started eating. Suddenly she heard some noise in the bushes. When she turned her head, she saw a big bad wolf coming towards her. She was really scared to see the wolf, but she decided to be brave. What do you want?
I am hungry and so I am going to eat you.
Shanta was very clever. She said, if you want to eat me, go ahead. I am a weak and a sick old woman. I will not able to fight you. But if you eat me now, what you will get is just bones and no flesh at all. I am going to my daughter's house. I will stay there for a few days. Eat healthy foods, become strong, and then you can eat me.
The wolf thought for a while and said, do you promise to come back?
Shantabai said, you can trust me. The wolf decided to let her go. Shantabai resumed her journey. As she walked further, she met a tiger.
The tiger thought, oh what a treat, I guess today is my lucky day. I am going to eat a human after such a long time. Hey lady, say your last prayers as I am going to eat you now.
Shantabai decided to fool the tiger as she had fooled the wolf. Oh mighty tiger, if you want to eat me, go ahead. I'm just a weak old lady, I will not able to stop you. But I would like to say something before you eat me.
Whatever you want to say it fast. I am very hungry.
Look at me, I am so thick and weak, I can barely stand. If you eat me now, you will only get bones in your mouth. I'm going to my daughter's place. I will stay there for a few days, eat healthy foods, become strong, and then you can eat me.
You think I am stupid to let my lunch walk away?
Okay, if you want to eat only bones, come and eat me.
The tiger thought for a while and said, do you promise to me come back?
You can trust me. The tiger decided to let her go. Shantabai resumed her journey. As she walked further, she met a lion. The lion was happy to see the old woman. He thought, finally,
I am going to eat a woman after a long time. Today is a great day. Hey old lady, say your last prayers, as I am going to eat you now.
Shantabai decided to fool the lion as she had fooled the wolf and the tiger. Hey king of the jungle, if you want to eat me, go ahead. I am a weak old lady. I will not able to stop you. But I would like to say something before you eat me.
Shut up, I don't want to listen you. I am very hungry and I am going to eat you.
Look at me, I am so thick and weak. I can barely stand. If you eat me now, you will only get bones in your mouth. I am going to my daughter's place. I will stay there for a few days. I eat healthy food, become strong, and then you can eat me.
You think I am stupid to let you walk away?
Okay, if you want to eat only bones, come and eat me.
The lion thought for a while and said, do you promise to come back?
Shantabai said, you can trust me. The lion decided to let her go. The woman thanked God and walked toward her daughter's house. After walking for a while, she reached her daughter's house. Her daughter was very happy to see her. Shantabai gave her the food which she had made for her. After they finished their food, Shantabai narrated the encounters with the wild wolf, tiger and lion to her daughters. The daughter said, thank God that you are safe. You can stay here for a few days with me. The old woman spent a few days at her daughter's place. She ate delicious foods every day and was very happy. She also gained some weight. After a few days, Shantabai decided to go back home. She said to her daughter, I had a good time here, but now I must return home. But there she was really scared about the wolf, tiger and the lion. Her daughter was also very clever, just like her mother. Don't worry, mother, I will find some way out. She took a huge pumpkin for her garden.
Wow!
Then she emptied the entire pumpkin from inside and told her mother she should sit inside the pumpkin while going back. Then she told her, if you meet any of the animals on the way, just say, I don't know any old lady, walk my pumpkin to nook to nook to nook. Shantabai said goodbye to her daughter. She sat inside the pumpkin and started her journey through the forest. A little further, she met the lion.
Hey pumpkin, have you seen any old lady? She was supposed to come back in a few days.
Pumpkin replied, I don't know any old lady, walk my pumpkin to nook to nook to nook. The lion was confused and let the pumpkin go. Shantabai resumed her journey. A little ahead, she met the tiger. He was surprised to see the pumpkin walking.
Hey pumpkin, I am waiting for an old lady. Have you seen her?
The pumpkin replied, I don't know any old lady, walk my pumpkin. On the way, she met the wolf. The wolf asked,
Hey pumpkin, have you seen an old lady? The but she was supposed to come back in a few days.
The pumpkin replied, I don't know any old lady. Walk my pumpkin, tunuk, tunuk, tunuk. The wolf let the pumpkin go. She had fooled the wolf, tiger, and the lion. After traveling for some more time, she reached her home safely. Her clever daughter's idea saved her life. She lived a happy life thereafter. Shantabaji story. I hope you like the story. And if you are new here, then please subscribe to Sap English channel and press the bell icon as well to learn English through stories. I hope you all are doing well. So thank you so much once again for watching. Have a good day, good life, bye bye. And please subscribe it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Thank you.